I'm Phil Talon with South Shore Tourism, and it's time for another program partnership blitz, where we highlight partners throughout all of Northwest Indiana. We're here in beautiful downtown Crown Point. We have food, we have entertainment, we have shopping, and we're gonna show you a little bit of all of it. Come with me. We're here at the Courthouse Shops inside the historic courthouse on the square with one of the shop owners, Phyllis. Why do you think people love shopping in this courthouse?
I think people like to shop here because it's a unique feel, it's a unique experience. All the shops are different than your traditional strip mall or the shopping malls.
What makes the stores unique from somewhere else you might go?
The shop owners take time to fill up their shop with merchandise. They listen to their customers. There's just one-of-a-kind items that are down here. We have a nice restaurant and antique records, and we have a yarn shop and kids' clothing, kids' toys, candy, women's clothes, and Nordic.
And what is your favorite part about being a shop owner?
The other shop owners are wonderful. We all get along, and it's just a nice vibe down here.
Well, thank you very much. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
We're in Square Roots Restaurant with the manager, Joe. Joe, tell us why people love Square Roots.
Well, here at Square Roots, we're located in historic downtown Crown Point. We've been located here since 2019. We're a fun gastropub here, lots of different seasonal cocktails and seasonal menu items that are changing here all the time. Fun, attentive staff. We love to have fun and celebrate here, and we'd love to celebrate with you.
Obviously, we're right here on the Crown Point Square where there's so much energy and so much life. What do you think makes it so attractive for people to come to Crown Point Square and spend their evenings?
Well, lots of history here in Crown Point, old historic buildings, of course the famous John Dillinger escape from prison here, which is a fun thing to check out. So lots of things to check out, lots of shopping, lots of dining options. Crown Point's got everything you need.
Well, the food was great, the drinks were great. Joe, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much.
A perfect ending to any visit to the square is to the iconic Tavern on Main, where they have delicious food, great drinks, and amazing desserts. Come to Crown Point for the entertainment, the shopping, and the fun. I'll see you on the square.